Mother is a name that does not describe the house per se. Rather, it describes the feeling that you get when you walk into this house. We had 4 elements in our mind when we wanted to build this house: friends, family, fun, and then food.
It's all about how do we want to be in this house, right? Every day, in and out, right? And the ones who come in, that is Maghizh, is what we wanted to treat them with.
Hi, I am Vinay Mavinakere, Principal Architect.
And I'm Geet Gopinath, Creative Partner.
We are from Sudaiva Studio, an architect-led design build firm in Bengaluru. Please join us for an exclusive house tour of Maghizh in Hollywood Town, North Bengaluru. To watch premium videos and access PDF ebooks with house plans, log on to buildofy.com. The link is in the description below.
We found our architects through Buildofy.
So we owe big thanks to Buildofy in that way.
Our 7-long conversation is all about educating the clients first time, because generally the typical requirements was not there. Benji was always keen on having an aha moment in the house which we were designing. This is a east facing 5,000 square feet plot which is located in northern part of Bangalore in a gated community called Hollywood Town. The total built up area what we have achieved here is around 5,600 square feet, including the parking area. The entry sequence is guided with the perpendicular road which is opposite our plot.
Even though you enter from the main gate, you can look into the garden through this half wall. But your actual experience of it is not until you cross through a little tunnel of green.
This pathway will lead to a main entry. As soon as we enter, we have a sort of metal louvers here which will create a curiosity for you.
The sun rises there right before me in the morning when I come. So the sun is already the first guest into the house.
So the living room sort of feels like an extended part of this party space. This depth is almost around 20 feet is what we have done. And this is one of our aha moments which the client was emphasizing on. In the later conversation with the client, we thought of having a small pond here and also a sitting bench here. And client also wanted one more entry from the car parking space. We have a nice cross here, like in the spiritual corner, and this is a nice axis what we have created. We put our home theater in the entrance, which is quite often used.
The dining room is a space we all meet time after time, right from morning coffee to dinner.
The dining area, we wanted to create garden on the both sides. And there is a nice cross ventilation also which happens. And here if you look at, there is a nice double height space wherein we get a lot of sunlight from the top. And just beside the dining area, we have a sort of open kitchen. And we have created one window here, which is actually visible from the entry point as well. Here we have put a guest bedroom in the back side. Again, we have almost a setback of around 12 feet, which is a nice size for a garden area. This is a staircase which takes you to the upper floor with a small autograph tree which we have positioned here with a skylight on the top. And as soon as you come to the upper floor, we have a office space, and there is a small library space which we have created here. And this is again a sliding door which opens up to this big terrace area. This again, the terrace area, we have created a sort of carpet in the center using the vitrified tiles. We have put a swing also here. And also we have a little bit of plantation over here with the inbuilt seating structure. We have son's bedroom in the northwest quadrant and with the attached toilet and a dress area. In the east face, we have created a window which is from a floor to ceiling. This path leads to a double height space. We have created this blank wall and we have created a cross here. But for a ventilation purpose, we have raised a metal perforated sheet with a slab on top of it, and so that the cross vent can happen. And once you come to a southwest corner, we have a bedroom with a bay window which we have created. And we have a nice big large dressing area and a nice big toilet. Towards the southeast corner, we have a daughter's bedroom. We have created a study space here. The entire house flooring pattern also, if you look, we have used a recycled teak wooden floor and a kota stone and a jaisalmer and recycled wooden logs on top of a railing. Flooring and the walls and the bricks, what we have used on the wall is everything looks very natural in terms of overall aesthetics of the house.
How the space interacts with the trees outside, and how the light and the wind comes in through the trees and is filtered through that. So each of these quiet interactions, the sum total of all of that, I think was what brings that aha and makes, each space very, very special.
Aha certainly achieved. Not in terms of what you see and touch and, but in terms of how you feel it. It's Maghizh every day.
Every moment that you spend spreads joy and happiness.
So we had this 7 long joyful conversations.
Not long.
But it was pretty long.